Welcome back to the Malt Miller YouTube channel. Today we've got something a little bit different, and that is bank holiday special offers.
Now, summer's coming to an end, Rob. It's the bank holiday, so what more could you want than some fantastic offers to help you with your brewing or to kind of venture into some new areas?
If you want to level up your home brewery, we've got some awesome offers on the GF30 and the G40.
And let's not forget the awesome Airsteel Pro.
Yeah, we've been doing really well with the Airsteel Pros. They're becoming a really popular product, and to have that offer on this bank holiday weekend is absolutely fantastic.
Doesn't just end there though, Rob. We've also got some awesome offers on festival beer kits and on Wine Expert classic wine kits and the cocktail kits.
Actually, that's really interesting because so many of our beer brewing customers are now making wine kits as well, and this is a fantastic opportunity to pick up a wine kit.
I'm massively converted on making wine kits at home there.
And of course it doesn't stop there, because we have got some fantastic pricing on hops and yeast. Now we'll put a link to the sales section just below this video. So yeah, a little bit of a different type of video this Sunday. However, next Sunday, Martin,
I cannot wait for people to see what we've put together. We made a fantastic trip to Burning Sky, and we're going to help people learn a bit more about brewing saison and mixed fermentation at home.
I absolutely can't wait for that. So remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, and obviously you can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.